So one of my biggest quests this year is to learn why most electrical companies stay small. We all have the desire to grow, to get bigger, to add employees, to add technicians, journeymen, a back office. Our desire is to grow. And I keep asking myself, what is some of the biggest bottlenecks that keep us tradespeople from doing that? Well, I had a saying that I coined probably years ago. It's probably not my saying, so I'm gonna give credit to whoever it was. If you know, shoot me a DM or let me know in the comments below. But that is that we're basically all good or great at the trade. It's what we know, it's what we learned, it's what we went to school for. But most of us, let's be real, suck at business. We suck at it. We didn't learn business in school. They didn't teach us math, economics, scheduling, how to do a checkbook, how to use AI. These are all brand new things that we're not accustomed to. Our dads and our grandfathers didn't have to deal with these things.
I just don't understand these computers at all.
Therefore, they never poured into us on how we should deal with them. Is this one of the biggest problems for you? It's just that you know the trade. You can even sell great. You know you can x-ray what's behind that wall and you know where the short circuits are, but you're just not great at doing everything else. If that's the case for you, you're not alone. I'm Jeff, the 360 electrician, if we haven't met, and my channel is 100% dedicated to those electricians that dream about being an electrical contractor, or for you electrical contractors just looking for the help to level up. It's the help you can't get at the wholesale house or from your old boss or from your competitors. My community right here, click this link, click this QR code, or follow the links down below to my website and join my community 100% dedicated to you, the electrical contractor. Help yourself level up by helping us help you and you help us. This is a community for electricians that want to be electrical contractors. And I've dedicated this channel to help you, electricians that want to become electrical contractors, but most importantly, you, the electrical contractor, looking to level up in business. I'm always going to bring you the best software, the best tools, the best equipment, anything I know that's made me money, that saves me time, so I can own the trains and not always have to run the trains. Now, I love running the trains sometimes, don't get me wrong. I'm doing it for a couple hours a day when I feel like it, not because I have to, okay? It's a big difference. So being a part of that, I always want to find new software and new programs and AI tips and tricks that are going to help me organize my business so that I can be as much hands-off as possible and give the reins, the responsibility, the back office duties to my journeymen and my electricians on the field. Why? Because if they did this on their own, they'd have to be doing it anyway. So to them, it's training for bigger success. One day they will be the electrical contractor, and in my business, hopefully they'll buy me out and give me a paycheck in retirement instead of me having to sell it to some third party or VC. So one of the things this week that I've been working on with Riley, my executive assistant, you've seen her at all the events. You know she's been killing it for me for over a year. I got her by listening to Dan Martell's Buy Back Your Time, by the way, and she has been telling me that, Jeff, we're using certain programs. One is the day of the week. I don't want to mention the name, but it's the first day of the week. The other one is this, and the other one's Google, the other one's that. It just has not been working for us. One does one thing great, the other one does one thing great, and the other one does something lousy, and the other one can't do anything at all. So I finally found a software that I believe is gonna help me level up, and therefore I wanna share it with you. Now, to be upfront, you know how I operate. When I found my current CRM, it was because I saw a need for you, but I also had a need for me, and I looked and I said, what's gonna be the best CRM that I can get behind? And then I reached out to them and said, hey, what's up? This is who I am. This is my channel. Help me help them. In return, of course I benefit, and everybody wins. Here's another company called Connecteam. Links right here, QR code right here. Connecteam brings kind of the best of all the worlds I've been looking for. That is including scheduling, that's including HR management, which I've been teaching you and telling you to do it on Google, which is still an okay way to do it. That's the way we do it in my 8 week, Contractor's Playbook, but I wanted to take it to the next level. Well, when I found Connecteam, I realized, whoa, this is a pretty big deal. So why I love Connecteam is because it takes care of so many of the back end office things that need to get done, but I don't have to do them anymore. With very, very little oversight, I can let my teams take care of stuff that I've been having a nightmare with. They're operational bottlenecks. That's exactly why I think you're not growing. Whether you're a one-person team or you're 20, the biggest choke point for you are literally operational. That's systems and not having the right ones, putting things into place that allow you to buy back your time and your freedom to work on exactly what's the most important thing in your business. And I think it's sales and finishing jobs, because that's the only way we get checks. Not only do you need accountability in your crew, but you need a system that works. And I think that Connecteam is going to check that box for me, and here's how. First and foremost, all of our communications now are going to move into that app. And why I want to do that in that app is because it's incredibly robust. I can not only text message, but I can also put files, I can schedule stuff, I can communicate in ways that I can never communicate just through SMS or just through text message. It's a more robust way to do it, and here's the beautiful part about it. It stays in an ecosystem that I can control. I can check whether I'm on vacation or working on my business. I can pretty much see what's going on at all times. If I don't want to get text messages between apprentice and helper, I don't have to. If I don't want to get text messages between Riley and asking questions about something on a job, I don't have to. Or I can be involved in everything. It gives me the availability to scale. It's like an internal text messaging application. I love Connecteam for that. Now, here's the most exciting thing I love about Connecteam. Hiring. It's going to be a boom for electrical contractors. You better get your hiring straight. Now, that's week number 7 in my Contractor's Playbook. Why week number 7? Because we want to do everything right, have all our systems together, cash flow, legal, systems, everything, before we hire, because if we hire and don't do it correctly, anything else we've done could go down the drain. Even our marketing happens before hiring. It's literally second to the last step, which is micro-franchising. So if you want to know more about that, here, click these links up above, the QR codes, click down below. You can go to my website. Everything is there, www.the360electrician.com. What Connecteam is going to allow me to do is have a miniature HR department all under my control. I can onboard new employees by simply telling them, okay, listen, download the app, go into onboarding, new employees. I can do videos like this and saying, hey, welcome to the team. These are the things I expect. These are the things that you can do. You have to sign these waivers. I need to get this information for you. These are the required tool lists that you need to do. All of that can happen in one ecosystem. Again, you could use Google if you don't want to pay, but if you're looking to level up just one step up, which is super affordable, Connecteam is going to be it. Now, what happens is I can also get forms. I can also have videos. I can also have downloads for them, and the downloads will be, hey, here's the video explaining it. Now there's the sheet. It's all written out. I need a signature. You need to turn that in tomorrow when you come. I can do videos, courses. I can do forms. I can do almost anything I need to have a miniature HR department for onboarding. I don't have to do this every single time I get a new employee. Here's another thing I love about it. You know I'm all in my cult enterprises, okay? The code is the code is the code. It's the law of the land, and you better be good at the code. Well, how do you make sure your guys and your team is good at the code? You can actually build or take something for free that you get from an email, like from Mike Holt, and then put it into the app and then tell everybody that they gotta do that as a simple code lesson every single week. It's like a mini course. If you know you've just signed a big commercial job with a lot of transformers, guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna make mini tests and courses for transformers so that your whole team can get up to speed on transformers. It's friggin' amazing. I know you're gonna love it because I love it. Now listen, I just got into Connecteam, so I'm gonna be learning more and more ways that it's gonna help me level up, and I'm gonna bring that to you. But what I wanted to do is get you on the ground floor. I want you guys to go over there and check it out. Sign up if you want. Use my link, because we're going to do an all things Connecteam webinar very soon in the future. So if you guys appreciate that, now you know something brand new that's going to help you level up and run your electrical contracting business. If you got any questions about it, ask me, or most of all, get into the community. Again, scan the QR code on the screen or use the links down below. Get in totally free. The community 100% dedicated to you and I, the electrical contractor. I hope this helped. Guys, girls, we'll see you guys on the next one.